Hi there, so this is just a quick video on how I use Canva to create some of my Instagram posts so that I can create them, get them all set up and not have to worry about Instagram for at least 12 days. Often it's more than that, but this is an example of 12 days worth of posts I'm going to be putting out on Instagram. So hi there, welcome, my name is Eric Simpson. I'm a business coach to personal trainers that want to specialize in weight loss. And what I'm going to show you today is how I use Canva to set up my posts ahead of time. So basically, I've taken my coaching method, which is made up of mindset, diet and exercise, and I've created a series of 12 slides in Canva. Now, Canva is a free resource to use. What I'm demonstrating today is actually a paid for one, and the reason I've gone for paid for is because I can get access to all the different images and a variety of other little bits and pieces that make it really super helpful to be able to do your social media posts. But you know, the free one works pretty well as well, so you don't have to invest the money. But I just kind of figured, well, for around about, I think it's about $9 per month, I thought, you know, it's got to be worth it. So my coaching system is called Coach Me Slim and Trim, so I've stuck a nice big fat logo up there, and as I say, it's made up of mindset, diet and exercise. So let me show you how I've broken that down over 12 slides. Now, you know, if you've got your own system, you can apply what I'm saying to your own coaching method. So step number one, mindset, and I've gone with a little strap line there. This will unlock your potential. So I've just kind of made that up based on what I know about mindset. You could put anything in there and I could change that, and I'll probably use this slide again at another point and maybe just change the strap line. So I'm going to repurpose these slides again in the future just by changing the images, so I'm not having to always start from scratch. So that's step number one, mindset. We go down to step number two. You can see I've kept the design the same, your diet, and then a little strap line. This will transform you. And then we've gone for step number three, your exercise. This will reshape you. So those are the big component parts of my program. So they all go out sequentially, day one, day two, day three. I then start to get into a bit more of the weeds when it comes to mindset. So mindset I talk about, and again I broke this down to three areas. Your journey, question mark. So just trying to get people to think about, all right, it's a question he's asking me, what is my journey? And they know that mindset's important. Again, mindset, the traps in your beliefs. What does it mean by beliefs? What are my beliefs? Number three, your habits and attitude. So again, nice little images in there. And again, if you use the paid for Canva, you can get access to all these images. On the free, you can also get access to images as well. So that's mindset. We then go into diet, and number one, again, I broke this down to three areas. So diet, your emotional triggers. Diet, your people and environment triggers. And again, diet number three, your hormone and blood sugar triggers. So again, you can see I've just taken it from, you know, your diet, the big thing, this will reshape you, and then I'm breaking it down to little questions. Get rid of that, don't want Mr. Peter K there. And then we go down to exercise. I've broken that down to three. Your body type, question mark, so a nice image there. Your metabolism and bone health, again, I think that's quite a nice image. And your strength and protection. So 12 slides there that I've created. That's taken me roughly about half an hour from start to finish. I'll then take these 12 slides, take to another piece of software, and I'll schedule them to go out for 12 consecutive days. So I am not having to wake up in the morning and think, what am I going to post? 'Cause you know what that can be like. You kind of run out of ideas. So I've batched all the stuff I'm going to do. I've created them all, and I think those are reasonable designs. I'm not saying they're the best designs in the world, but they're good enough. You know, I don't have to farm this out and wait for some designer to do it for me. I've done them myself. This has taken me roughly half an hour or so to do. To schedule them, another half an hour. So all in, I'm looking at about an hour to get all this set up. Now, I appreciate if you're not used to Canva or a scheduling tool, there's going to be a learning curve that's going to take you a bit longer than that. It may take you, you know, a couple of hours, maybe even 3 hours to get sorted out. Who cares? As long as you get it done, and then as you get more proficient, the time frame comes down. But the good thing is Canva is free to use. The softwaring tool, I'll do a little video on that as well, so you can see how I do that. I'll just show you how I schedule one of them, so you get an idea of how to combine your coaching method with a graphics package like Canva and a scheduling tool. And those three things combined means that you can get yourself out on social media for 12 days, set it, forget it, and go and do something else. Okay, hopefully that's been of use to you. Any questions at all? Again, if you are interested in the weight loss market and you are a personal trainer who has just started, or maybe you've started but you're not particularly happy with the way that it's going for you in terms of your weight loss coaching method that you're using, and you'd like some help, some advice, some tips, happy to help there. And who knows, you may end up delivering the Coach Me Slim and Trim program yourself, be that face-to-face, offline or online. But till next time, take very good care and bye for now.